In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a read-only channel on Discord, and the good news is the steps are almost exactly the same on both desktop and mobile, but I'm going to demonstrate in my mobile. A read-only channel is a channel where only certain people like admin or moderator can send messages, while everyone else in the server can only read what's posted. This is perfect for channels like welcome message, announcement rules, or important updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials. Now let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is create a text channel. Just go to your text channel section and long press on the text channel like so and click on create a channel. You can name it like read only and just click on create. Now that your channel is created, just click on edit channel and click on channel permissions. From here, just go to everyone roles which is selected. Scroll down until you find permissions called as send message. Just deny the option to send messages. After that, just go back and the changes will be saved. Now everyone will still be able to view the channel, but they won't be able to send messages in it. Now if you want to allow certain people like moderator or admin to send messages, you can make an exception for their role. Just click on edit channel once again and click on channel permissions. Just click on add role and choose your role, which in my case I'm going to choose moderator. You can just choose anyone in your scenario, and after selecting, make sure send message is toggled on for moderator or admins like so, and just click on done. This creates an exception, meaning everyone in the server is blocked from sending messages, but the selected roles can still post in that channel. Once everything is set up, you can use this channel for things like announcement, welcome messages, server rules, or updates. And the channel will stay clean and organized since regular member won't be able to reply in this channel. And that's it. That's how you create or read only channel on Discord. And as you can see, the process is almost the same on desktop and mobile also. If this guide helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.